Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Roder Support. In this video I'm just going to take you through using the theme options within Gridder for WordPress. So, as with any of our themes, the options are handled by the WordPress customizer. To get to this, you can either use the link at the top in your admin bar, or via your WordPress dashboard you can go to Appearance and Customize. Now once you're in here, you'll notice there are a few different options. Some of them are default to WordPress and a couple of them are for our theme. Very basic, as it is quite a simple theme, so there's just a few things to go through, but we'll go through each of these one by one just so you can get an idea of what they all cover. So to begin with, at the top you've got the update settings. This is something we implemented in our recent theme, so that if you want to get theme updates direct from Envato, you can do so with your username and API key here. If you do want to go ahead and do that and need a tutorial, we do have a video guide for that also, so be sure to check that out. Next up, we've got the site ID area. This is quite important. This is where you would set up your own logo. So if you want to set up your own image or such for your custom logo, you can do so here. As you can see, it just pops in there, as well as your site title and tagline, and your favicon image as well. Below that we've got the colours section. This is where you can control the main colours that are used throughout the theme. These may be changed slightly by the time you get to see this, so do forgive me if there's a couple of changes, but overall, although I've chosen a particularly garish colour scheme there, you can get an idea of how this all works and what they all do. I'd suggest using a bit more style than that though. Next up you've got the background image, so if you want to replace the background colour we've put there with an image, you can do so. And below that we've got the menu area, and the way the menus work, you have one for your home page, which is how you can filter between them all, and you have another for all other pages. We'll go through that in a separate video, but if you want to control this, you can either do so via the customize area, or my personal preference is to use the specific area which is under appearance and menus, which just gives you a bit more, I think it makes a bit more sense working in this, and takes it, it's certainly a lot quicker to work with in my opinion. Below that we've got the widget area, and this is where the widgets appear on the side of blog posts, etc. You can set them up there as you wish. Again, there is another dedicated area to this under appearance and widgets, so if you want to play around with that you can do so. Below this you've got the homepage settings. This is where you can either use it to display your recent blog posts like a traditional WordPress theme, or you can have a static homepage, which is how it will be set up if you use our demo data. Below this you've got an additional custom CSS area, so those developer aficionados out there can style things exactly as they want using their own custom code. And finally we've got the footer settings, which is where we can control the footer message as well as the social icons which appear in the bottom there. And that's it. If you do have any more questions on how this all works, then do come see me over at support. Other than that, I hope this has been useful and thanks for watching.